Hey, I'm Perry Carizzi.
Hold on. No hay.
No,
Nope.
that's the New Hampshire in me.
Let's not do that.
Okay. Don't do that one. I'm Perry Carizzi. I'm the cylinder head lead for Mast Motorsports, and we are at our South Street location where we do all of the cylinder head finishing. At Mast Motorsports, we offer 3 core cylinder head products. First of which is the Black Label, which is our ultra premium line for the LS engine and LT. We offer them in 8 different variations for the LS. We have small, medium, and large bore, different CC ports in there for your LS1, your LS3, and your LS7. They start with a virgin A356 casting. We do all the machine work in-house, and we only use ultra premium products in those heads, like bronze guides, ductile iron seats. We have some custom options for your chamber softening, custom combustion chamber CCs. We also offer copper seats for those heads. The next thing that we have here is our new factory mast line. We offer that in a LS3 medium bore, LS3 large bore, and a new LS7 large bore casting. They are made from the same casting as our premium Black Label line, so you get the benefits of the 750 thousandths thick deck, you get a thicker exhaust flange, and you also get the benefits of having the best casting on the market. What we did with that is we basically took the digitized data from our Black Label cylinder heads. We were able to make a port tool and offer you guys the best ports available in a NASCAS version to save you money on CNC porting. At Mast Motorsports, the baddest shit we got is the Moses. This is the last cylinder head that we offer. It's for turbo, nitrous, supercharged, naturally aspirated max effort applications. We have a tunnel ram that we offer for it. If you want to know more specifics, you're gonna have to call and ask. If you want to make the most power possible with the LS platform, that's the only way to do it.